quick answer to the Nigeria Senate Situation Room. Senate President Godswill Akpabio warned lawmakers that Donald Trump is on our neck as he rejected calls for Defense Minister Nominee Christopher Musa to be allowed to bow and go during screening. He insisted that Nigeria is under U.S. pressure and must properly question Musa on insecurity. Now the breaking news. Senate President Godswill Akpabio has raised alarm during the ministerial screening of former Chief of Defense Staff, General Christopher Musa. Akpabio rebuked senators who demanded that Musa be allowed to simply bow and go. He declared. Akpabio explained that Nigeria is under intense pressure from the United States, led by President Donald Trump, to address worsening insecurity. He stressed that Musa must be properly grilled, especially with over 200 children still in captivity and widespread violence across the country. The Senate chamber reportedly turned rowdy as Akpabio insisted that Nigeria cannot afford to trivialize defense leadership at such a critical time. His remarks linked directly to the ongoing shake-up in Nigeria's defense ministry, following the resignation of Mohammed Badaru Abubakar, and growing speculation about U.S. influence on Nigeria's security appointments. This latest alarm underscores the international dimension of Nigeria's security crisis, where domestic leadership choices are being shaped by external pressure and urgent demands for accountability. Okay, time to watch Senate President Godswill Akpabio in panic. Let's go.
I'd love to ask him questions at a time like this. So if we come here and we do politics of bow and go, this is not a period we should say bow and go. Even Donald Trump is on our neck. We have not yet asked him what his response will be to Donald Trump, the President of America. He is not just anybody. Chief of Defense Staff, a nominee for Minister of Defense of a country, and you stand up and say you should take a bow and go, with so many questions on the mouth of Nigerians, with over 200 Nigerian children in the bush, kidnapped and being tortured. His appointment is heralded all over Nigeria with happiness because Nigerians believe he has something to offer. Give the man an opportunity to give Nigerians hope.
I want to tell you that the agreement between the British and the Fulani has collapsed. And the only person that collapsed it is Trump. I want the world to understand this.
The point is, let's forget about genocide. Trump is selfish.
Very well, sir.
Trump is selfish.
Very well, my lord.
He wants Nigeria resources.
Very well, sir.
So, but he just wants to use genocide,
yes, sir,
as avenue,
very well, sir,
to take over Nigeria's government.
Oh, yes.
I don't exclude anyone. If you are attending a Yoruba church, you should be ashamed of yourself. Anybody attending a Pentecostal church with a Yoruba pastor is an idiot, a complete fool, an imbecile. I have no time for them. They are worse than Boko Haram. They are very, very foolish. If your pastor is Yoruba, you are not fit to be a human being.
Hello, Biafrans and lovers of freedom. You've just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.